Welcome to the world of secure and seamless transactions. Today, we'll walk you through how to easily purchase an NFT ticket using Crossmint's Fiat checkout. First, head over to the ticket purchase link and click Get a Pass. If you're not logged in, you'll need to input your email. If you already have an account, you'll be directed to the login page. I'll set up a new MetaKeep account with Belong to show you how simple it is for a crypto newbie to purchase an NFT ticket. Just enter the code sent to your email and you're good to go. After verification, click on Pay with Credit Card. Choose Crossmint and press Pay Now. Enter your card information and cardholder name, then click Pay to complete the transaction. Hang tight for a moment while Crossmint processes your transaction. Crossmint acts as a bridge between traditional finance and the decentralized world of crypto, providing a user-friendly way to make purchases in the digital world. Transactions are processed securely, and the platform handles the conversion between fiat and the required cryptocurrency in the background. And just like that, you've purchased an NFT ticket with your crypto wallet. The future of event ticketing is here, secure, seamless, and oh so easy. Enjoy your event.